Hello friend, welcome to Basic Civil Knowledge. Today we will learn Arc command in AutoCAD. Click on 3-point arc. Suppose I have a triangle. Click on 3-point arc. Click on first point, click on second point and click on third point. Repeat this process. Click on 3-point arc. You can take any 3 point. Click on first point, click on second point, click on third point. Next, start, center and end. Click on line command. Draw the line 30 mm, press enter, 30 mm, press enter. Click on start, center and end. Your arc is always create anti-clockwise. Click on first point, click on second point, click on third point. Then select, click on copy command and escape it. Repeat this process when click on first point, second point and third point. Then show these types of arc. Next, start, center and angle. Click on start point, center point and angle 120 degree, press enter. Click on line command. Click on this point, click on center point and click on this point and escape it. Click on angular on this line and click on this line and show the dimension. Next, start, center and length. Click on start point, center point, length 30 mm, press enter. Click on this point and click on this point and show the dimension. Next, start, end and angle. This is same process. Next, start, end and direction. Click on line command. Draw the line 30 mm, press enter and escape it. Use offset command. Shortcut key O enter, offset distance 10 mm, press enter and offset it and escape it. Click on start, end and direction. Click on start point, click on end point and click on direction. Repeat this process. Click on start point, click on end point and direction. Then select, click on copy command and escape it. Then click on dimension. Show the dimension 10 mm. Then click on start, end and radius. Click on start, end and radius 5 mm, press enter. Repeat this process. Start point, end point, radius 5 mm, press enter. Next, center, start and end. This is the same process. Next, center, start, angle. This process and this process is same process. Center, start and length. This is same process. Next, continuous. Click on 3-point arc. Click on first point, second point and third point. Then click on continuous it will continue end point of the last arc. Click on continuous. It will continue end point of the last arc. I hope you like this video. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel.